On example 3, we're going to graph y equals negative 2x squared minus x minus 2. Notice my graph does not cross the x-axis, so this is a no solution problem. There's no value of x. I can put it in that equation where I will get 0 for an answer. That's pretty much it. Now, here we have an application problem. It says Ted Williams hit the highest pop fly ever recorded, assuming an initial velocity of 58 meters per second and an initial height of 1 meter. We have this function that models the height of the baseball, h, in meters after t seconds. If it falls to the ground, approximately how long will the ball be in the air? Well, first thing, since we're going to graph this, we can't use h and t. We're going to use x's and y's. So y is going to be the height of the baseball, negative 4.9 x squared plus 58x plus 1. Now we're just going to graph that on decimals. And I already typed the equation in, and notice it's not much of a line. That's because, think about it, he's hitting it up in the air. In real life, he hit it more than 10 feet in the air. If I look at this, that'll give me kind of a clue. There's my parabola. So I'm going to use my parabola, and it looks like the highest is about 172. And it looks like it crosses about 11.9. So if I want to see this, let's adjust my window. So I want to make sure I go up to about 200 feet, and let's go out to about 15 seconds. So what I'll do is I press my wrench, and I'll have my x-axis go out to about 15 seconds. I'll have my y-axis go up about 200 feet. And since I'm going up to 200 feet, maybe I should put a tick mark every 10. Maybe 200 feet, maybe every 20. How about that? That way it's a little bit easier to see. And you could, no, I put that in by hand, but you could just zoom in or out if you want. Now, I'm not concerned about the height. However, it's kind of interesting. The ball hit a height of about 172.6 feet. Pretty sure this was in feet. No, meters. 172 meters. But what I'm concerned is, how long was the ball in the air? It hit the ground after about 11.9 seconds, didn't it? And remember, there's actually an x-intercept of negative 0.0, but that doesn't make sense in the context of this problem, does it? Okay, the parabola crosses at negative 0.02, but he didn't hit the baseball until time 0. So we're just going to say if it falls to the ground, how long was it in the air? It was in the air about 11.9 seconds. And there we have it. So work on your 11.3 assignment.